4 years into this customizing craziness.
What a journey.
We have done some wild things.
Wow, we have.
I think this has been our best one yet. We've leveled up in a
hands
big
down.
way.
Oh, yeah.
And
It's
this is just the beginning.
Oh, yes.
These are going to be the supplies that you're going to need for your reverse tie-dye sweatshirt. You're going to need household bleach, hydrogen peroxide, a bag so that it's not messy, some gloves to protect your hands, rubber bands for your spirals or whatever design you want to do, your sweatshirt, black works best because that's what's going to bleach the best, and an SEI tie-dye kit. So you're going to take your fingers and slowly coil. So you're going to make all these lines, keep it tight, keep it flat, and then you'll take your rubber bands. Remember to always use gloves when using any chemical such as bleach. Once you've bleached your sweatshirt, you'll leave it out. Make sure to flip halfway through and make sure to saturate the other side so you get an even design on both sides. While we're letting our sweatshirt bleach, we're gonna make our neutralizer. Our neutralizer is what's gonna stop the bleach so that you can have your design. So it's gonna be 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide per 10 cups of water. And then once we're finished with that, you'll just rinse off your sweatshirt and submerge it in your neutralizer, and you're good to go. Once we've neutralized your sweatshirt, you're gonna let it dry all the way. If you want a deeper bleach, the sun and heat helps a lot so you get a better bleach so it's almost a white. We are in Utah, so we are midwinter, so that is not gonna happen for us today, but we got ours fairly light with just setting it outside even in the winter time. We use orange, yellow, and turquoise out of our classic 8-pack. We'll shake. Now you're gonna heat set with an iron. This is our final project. We love how the spiral turned out, the colors. We recommend if you're gonna do multiple sweatshirts or a bigger project like this, that we also sell it in quart bottles, so it'll give you more dye to do more sweatshirts. We love that you are able to do this in the comfort of your own home, and it's really an easy project, nothing too complicated about it.